Hey y'all, welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say. And the day above and not under, y'all, it's a blessed day. Now I'm gonna need y'all to help me sing. Come on. We're gonna mukbang. Y'all, welcome back to another mukbang eating show. Y'all, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, so we're gonna do a chugging video. So I got, damn, this is the wrong one car I picked up. But anyway, it's Coca-Cola Zero. I got this over here in case Coke ain't working out. I got some little bit over there. Different brand, but I don't know. Alright, let's get started, y'all. How's y'all day? How's everybody doing today? I got Kai in the house. Kai in the house. Kai in the house. Hi.
Oh, the grump.
What's up, baby? We got everybody in here today, y'all.
Cara in the house.
It's a full house.
Cara in the house.
Alright, so let's get to chugging. Cara, do not move again. You stand right there.
We're still talking now. Chug, 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 chug. She's chugging.
Oh.
No, she's not.
Yes, the hell I did. Ooh. Ooh.
This is way better.
I can do way better. I think so too. Y'all
I feel a good one.
I ain't gonna stop chugging till that I get that perfect one. Alright, so y'all make sure y'all be watching.
Dang, how your mama look?
Kaya over there cheesing and stuff. Kaya talking mess in the background.
I said how your mama look younger than you.
Oh no, she did not disrespect.
She disrespected y'all. I can't wait to kiss you this.
Ooh.
Why am I watching this? Entertaining.
Zero always hits. One day we gonna have a showdown over here.
Huh? Ma, don't you think it's time for root beer?
This shit hitting and it tastes good. Alright, let me do some root beer. This is a... God dang it! I'm a little weakly. I don't think this one gonna hit like the other one. Hold on. Yes. Let's give Coca-Cola a round of applause. Yes. Always does it. Who is that? Interrupting me. The girl. Okay. Let's see what this one gonna do now, y'all. Time for the root beer. Hold on. I feel something else brewing down there. Come on, put your phone on silent or turn it off or do something.
It'd be funny if somebody called me next.
Damn, hold on, I might be a good one. Which one you think did it? Coke? I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye.